Hey, how's it going everyone? Pogo Science here. Thank you so much for stopping on by as always. So I made a new video to celebrate 800 subscribers, you guys, and I couldn't download the video to my computer for whatever reason. So I'm actually just going to show you guys what the video looked like from my phone. So let's go, you guys. Let's go. Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the Pogo Science channel. Thank you so much you guys for stopping on by. And I want to make this quick video to thank all 800 subscribers, guys. We reached 800, a new milestone for us. We're growing fast and I want to appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and make some sugar cookies today. Every milestone I like to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and try baking for the first time. So we're going to make some Pokemon sugar cookies. Getting you guys ready for Incense Day, Community Day. So I'm going to go with a really cheap option of making these cookies, you guys. So there's not many things you need. So first off, I went to Safeway and got this cookie dough, Pillsbury dough, cookie dough for it's like $2.50 or whatever it was. So I can make a bunch of cookies. I think like 24 cookies or so. Very easy to make. So as you see, 24 cookies right there. So very easy. Pick it up at your Smart & Finals, Lucky's, Safeway, and what other things that you need is a whole plate of these stencils, you guys, for the Pokemon shapes that we'll be making. So pick these up. I'll leave a description. I leave the link in the description for the ones I purchased on Amazon. And of course, you'll need a couple of bowls, some clean bowls, and also a nice pan because we'll be needing to use the conventional oven for it. So let's go ahead and hop right to it, you guys. Hop right to it. So never made these cookies before, so let's see how it goes. This was in the freezer for a while. So let's go ahead and bust it open, see what the inside looks like. Oh, okay. So this may be a little bit tough, but we'll see what we can do with this. We might have to combine some of this. It's already kind of prearranged, as you see right there, into a bunch of 24 little things, a little cookie dough things. So let's see. So let's go ahead and start with this. Let's start with this Kangaskhan right here. So let's go ahead and make a Kangaskhan. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and line these guys up. It might be easier. Line them up and then use a stencil, and then just combine them after we use the stencil. So let's go ahead and make a couple of rows. Actually, before I start, I want to let you guys know the first step of any baking things that you want to do is wash your hands thoroughly, you guys. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap. So if you are doing this at home, definitely start off by washing your hands with soap for at least 30 seconds. Count happy birthday twice. So let's go ahead and make ourselves a little Kangaskhan right now. So Kangaskhan on its way. So just dig it all the way down, you guys. Dig it all the way down. Smush it. Let's see what we can get, you guys. So as you see right here, we got it all the way down. See, we can pull it out now. That's usually the hardest part, right? All right, so let's go ahead and move this excess cookie dough off to the side. And look at this, a beautiful Kangaskhan, you guys. A beautiful Kangaskhan right here. So let's go ahead and stuff it a little bit. Make sure it's really stuffed up. It's clogging up the pores and stuff, just like the cookies will to our arteries once we start eating them. So these are going to end up being some nice golden brown sugar cookies for you guys on the Pogo Science channel. Hopefully you guys are following this at home and try it yourself. This is a great treat to make for Community Day and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and make a nice little fat Kangaskhan right there. Beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. You see right there? So let's go ahead and try to get it out of the stencil now. This is what I've been told the hardest part to make it look nice. So we're going to make it slow. We stuffed so much into it, it's going to be a little bit tough, you guys. A little bit tough, but let's see what we can do. Just be gentle, you guys. I always tell people it's not the size and quickness. It's more like the motion of the ocean. So let's go ahead and get this Pikachu-looking Kangaskhan out of here. Let's see. Gotta take it slow. Gotta take it slow. Oh man, messed it up a little bit. But that's okay. We can save it. We can save it. Okay, there you go. Your Pikachu. There's our first shape, you guys. Pikachu. So I'm going to go ahead and move him over to the pan. Pikachu, you guys. So let's go ahead and move him over to the pan off to the side. Let's see what else do we have. What else do we want to make? Let's go ahead and make ourselves this guy right here, you guys. This guy. So let's go ahead and make ourselves... What do you think this is? Yep, you got it right. It's Rayquaza right here. So we're going to go ahead and keep on mushing up this dough. I think the best thing is to actually just go ahead and and combine the dough together now instead of just doing it later. Let's go ahead and just combine some of the dough right now. Get it all dough'd up in here, man. Let's get it all doughy. All right. Let's get it. Make it a nice little shape. There we go. Very nice, very nice. We're gonna make some nice sugar cookies right now. So let's go ahead and make our Rayquaza right now. Rayquaza, dig it in there. Yep. All right. Might need some excess dough right there. And then let's go ahead and flip it. We don't have to make it super thick. We don't have to make it super thick. No one said it had to be super thick. I wonder if we don't fill it up and just remove the excess on the side, would it be easier? So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go ahead and do that. Give that a shot, and then maybe it'll just look nice on its own. So when we lift it, it'll be all ready for us. So Rayquaza, one Rayquaza coming on up. Let's see. No, I was hoping it would just stay down while I lifted this. All right, so this is gonna be a little bit tough, but no worries. Gotta be gentle. Just gotta make it a little bit nicer, and boom, you guys. So a nice little Rayquaza right here for you guys. See? So you guys can't see on the camera. Let me move it up there. So boom, Rayquaza for you. So hopefully you guys are following along at home. A nice little Rayquaza right there. Bam. All right, let's see what else we have in our bunch of stencils right here. Okay. You see, what do you guys think this is right here? Huh? Yep, you got it. Porygon Z right here. One Porygon Z coming on up, you guys. One Porygon Z coming on up. Hopefully these turn out really nice. I'll show you guys the end result too. So I'll be making 2 videos and I'm combining into one. And that's the magic of video editing, you guys. Video editing. All right, so I think this is about a good, decent size for this Porygon Z right here. Let's go ahead and stab it in. Yep. This is an R-rated cooking channel, by the way, you guys. R-rated cooking channel. So taking a look at the camera, make sure it looks good. You guys are getting all the perfect lighting and stuff. Yeah, you guys follow this along. Let me know how this recipe works out for you. And as I'm moving the excess dough, you got to move the excess dough. Ooh, almost lost my dough over there. No, I'm doing this all for the dough, man. For the subs too. So definitely subscribe if you're signed by the channel. So as you see right there, one Porygon Z coming on up, you guys. Let's move a little more, get some of the excess off. It really gets into your fingers after a while, but that's okay. It's at the end of the day, it's just cookie dough, right? And this is actually edible cookie dough, so you actually can eat it right off the bowl right now. So off the plate, excuse me. So there you go, nice little Porygon Z right there. So let's go ahead and move the Porygon Z, as you see right there. Kablam, Porygon Z. So put that right there. And let's see, what else? Yes, we can't forget about this guy right here, right? What do you guys think that is? Any ideas in the chat? All right, you guys got it. It's your Doduo. Yep, all 2 heads of it. So let's go ahead and make our Doduo. We got a little bit more dough left. This is supposed to be 24 cookies, but it looks like we're gonna end up making making just one, or making just maybe 4 or 5 cookies, large cookies, which is okay. I might have to just adjust the temperature in the oven, but it is getting hot in here now, you guys. It's getting a little hot in here, so let's go ahead and just pad this one up, you guys. Make a nice little cookie here for Doduo. Is that enough? No? How about this way? All right, this way works. Sweet, man. So just stab it right in there, you guys. Just stab it right in. Don't be shy. Just get it all up in there. Yep. Looking good. Then you got to remove the excess, right? We got to remove the excess. We got a little bit off the bowl there. I don't want to waste any of this. That's some good cookie dough right there, man. So let's go ahead and remove the cookie dough off the rim of this Doduo stencil, and then we just remove the stencil. Move it away from the dough, you guys. Move it away from the dough so it doesn't get stuck to it after you take it off. And then all you gotta do is just 1, 2, 3. Oh no, this one is a little more stingy, so you might have to apply a little bit of pressure, just a little bit of pressure. That's all you gotta do. The tail of this Doduo, this fire tail of the Doduo, will be very difficult to get out, so you gotta use your finger and poke it through, you guys. So let's see if we can get it off nicely. Come on. Stay down. Be good. Did it go? Did it work? Oh no, it didn't work. All right, so we gotta stab it back in a few more times. That's okay. Sometimes some of these stencils are harder to do than others, so you gotta stab it back in. Give it some padding once again. So let's see. Give it some more padding again. Fill it up, man. We gotta fill it up. All right, so let's give it some padding. Give it some padding. And move some of the excess. And then, all right, stab it, stab it. All right, let's try it one more time now. You guys try it one more time. All right, the head looking good. The body, leg looking good. Can we get the nice fire? That's the thing. It's the fire part. Okay, all right. Well, it's gonna not have the nice tail, so we're gonna have to probably re-add the tail. It kind of fell off right here, so let's go ahead and re-add the tail a little bit. Oh, it actually turned out quite nice after you do it manually. So there's the nice duo right there for you guys. Okay, let's see if we can move it up now. I actually have, let me see, off to the side, I have some toothpicks. As you see, I wanted to have the toothpicks ready because I knew I was gonna need to be able to get some of these guys off the plate too. So stay with me here, stay with me, we're almost done. We got one more cookie to make after this, and then we'll pop it in the oven, you guys, and see how they turn out. So now, let's see if we can move it. I'm gonna have to move it by segments. This one can come off. The tail is a little bit more difficult, so there we go. So we got that one off. So let's try to make one more, you guys. So we have a little bit of dough left. I'm trying to look through my stencils, which one I want to make. And, all right, let's see. So let's make one more, you guys, one more. Let's not waste any of this precious dough right here, as you see right here. Precious dough. And all right. Look at that. Get it all nice and doughy. All right, so we only have a little bit of dough left, so let's make this count. And they gave us this nice stencil for in case you do have just a little bit of dough. This nice grass energy right here. So let's go ahead and make a little nice grass energy. Maybe make this a little bit skinnier so you can get more of the dough at the end. Just make it a little more skinnier, make it a little bit more bulky so we don't waste any dough. I'm gonna move these toothpicks off to the side now. And stab it down, you guys. Just stab it down. Stab it. Stab it. Move it away from the dough. And let's see. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this excess right here. We can make a nice little just normal sugar cookie with the excess, you guys. You can just make a little ball and make a little excess off to the side. It's no sweat at all. Just fill it up a little bit though. Fill it up. Why not? Like the Pokemon. So let's see. We're gonna go ahead and make our little leaf energy right now. Let's flatten out, you guys. Flatten it out. All right. So, boom. See how nice it is? So let's go ahead and move some of our amazing creations off to the side to make room for this. And I'll show you guys what I'm putting in the oven, you guys, in a few seconds here. So I'll make sure I have enough space for this lovely thing. So let's go ahead and poke it out now. Almost there. Let's go ahead and poke it out. Poke. Let's get it out of there. Oh, look at lovely, you guys. Lovely leaf energy. So this is what I'm going to be putting in the oven, you guys. I just want to show you guys what we just did. Check it out, you guys. Lovely. Let's see how it turns out. So we'll be right back, everyone. We'll be right back. Well, made a slight minor miscalculation on my oven timing, and also my spatial awareness. So, well, thank you guys for stopping on by, and thank you so much for the 800 subscribers. It means so much to me, you guys, that you guys are subscribing to the channel, and I guess I'll catch you guys all next time. Do 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 do. Let's see. I can carve this guy out. Okay, all right. We got ourselves a nice little Diglett right here. Bon appetit, you guys. Take care.